Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service discussed. Today, we're taking a look at PNC Bank, accessible online at pnc.com. PNC offers a wide range of financial services, catering to both individual and business needs. Their website serves as a central hub for managing accounts, exploring financial products, and accessing valuable resources. Whether you're looking to open a checking or savings account, apply for a loan, or invest for the future, pnc.com provides a convenient digital gateway to PNC's offerings. Navigating the website is generally straightforward, with clearly labeled sections and a user-friendly interface. Users can explore various banking solutions, learn about different investment options, and find information on financial planning tools. PNC also emphasizes security, implementing measures to protect customer data and ensure safe online transactions. For businesses, PNC.com offers specialized services tailored to their unique financial requirements, including treasury management, merchant services, and commercial lending. The website provides comprehensive information on these services, allowing businesses to explore the options available and find solutions that best fit their needs. Furthermore, PNC.com offers resources and educational materials on topics like financial literacy and managing finances. This commitment to customer education underlines PNC's dedication to empowering individuals and businesses to make informed financial decisions. Overall, PNC.com serves as a comprehensive online platform for accessing PNC's diverse range of financial services. Its user-friendly design, focus on security, and wealth of information make it a valuable resource for individuals and businesses alike. Exploring the website can provide a clearer understanding of the services offered and help users make informed decisions about their financial needs.